Hey everyone! Looking for a collagen supplement that supports weight loss, skin health, and joint support all in one? Today we're reviewing Vitauthority's Hydrolyzed Collagen Burn Powder. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This collagen powder isn't just about beauty. It's packed with 5 types of collagen peptides, types I, 2, 3, V, and X, and thermogenic fat burners to help with metabolism, skin elasticity, and weight loss. It's unflavored, which means you can mix it into coffee, smoothies, or even plain water. But how does it perform? Supports fat burning thanks to ingredients like ashwagandha and grains of paradise. This powder may help rev up your metabolism. Enhances skin and hair with hyaluronic acid and dimpless. It's designed to reduce cellulite and boost collagen levels for a youthful glow. Joint and muscle support. Hydrolyzed peptides provide essential proteins to help with recovery and flexibility. So, what do users say? Most love the added beauty benefits and weight loss support, but some mention it takes time to see results. Also, since it's unflavored, mixing it with flavored drinks is recommended. Pros: checkmark multi-collagen, blend for skin and joints. Checkmark supports weight loss and metabolism. Checkmark no artificial flavors or additives. Cons: results take consistency unflavored, which can be a pro or con. So, is it worth trying? If you're looking for a science-backed supplement that supports weight loss while keeping your skin and joints healthy, this could be a great choice. Have you tried Vitauthority's Collagen Burn Powder? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and glowing. Please like, comment, and share. Product order link is first.